Ready to bridge your crypto holdings? Let's smoothly transfer USDT from your Bybit account to Binance in just a few easy steps. First, open your Bybit app and navigate to the Assets tab, typically found at the bottom of your screen. This is where you'll find all your crypto holdings. Now, locate USDT in your asset list. Once you found it, tap the Withdraw button. This initiates the transfer process. You'll now need the receiving address from your Binance account, so let's head over to Binance. Open your Binance app and tap on Deposit Crypto, then select USDT as the coin you want to deposit. This is crucial. Choose the correct network that matches the options available on Bybit. TRC2 is generally the most cost-effective option. Double check, as using the wrong network could result in lost funds. Binance will then generate a USDT deposit address for you. Copy this address to your clipboard. Return to your Bybit withdrawal page and carefully paste the Binance deposit address you just copied into the address field. Next, specify the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. Double-check everything one last time to ensure the address and amount are correct. Finally, confirm the transaction. You may need to complete additional verification steps, such as entering a 2FA code or email verification code. Once confirmed, your USDT will be on its way to Binance. It may take a few minutes to reflect in your account depending on network congestion, and that's all there is to it. Happy trading.